Good morning, all you sassy gals. We went to the farm market yesterday and found this big bag of bananas for $2. And we are going to do some baking and making some fun things with bananas. And right next to the bananas was this banana bread mix. And so I have my oil, my mix, my bananas, my Pampered Chef loaf pan, my eggs, and my milk, and we're going to make some banana bread, and then we're going to see what else we can make with these bananas. And if I can't use them all, I'm going to freeze the rest and put them in smoothies. So let's get started. On to our second fun thing to make with reduced bananas from the market. So I have my 2 overripe bananas, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of cacao powder. There's my handy dandy Ninja blender, and then we're going to use 100 grams of coconut oil, which is roughly 6.5 tablespoons. So I used a scale to measure it, and then I'm going to use this to melt it in the microwave. And then we're going to put all of this in the blender, and then we're going to put it in this. This is a Pampered Chef bar pan that I have, and we're going to put it all in here and stick it in the freezer for an hour. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so I switched to a much smaller container because this really did not produce a lot in here, and so I'm just going to put it in here, and then we're going to freeze it for an hour. Okay, I had to let this go longer than an hour because in the middle, even though it's solid, a little while ago it was soupy, This is like soft right here in the middle, and then out here on the sides, whoops, it's harder. Yeah, I say it's harder right there. So anyway, we're going to take a bite. If I can do this with one hand. Mmm. Very creamy. It's very good. Chocolate and banana. I did see another recipe with the same ingredients. Basically, it was bananas and the coconut oil, the same amounts, I should say. And instead of the cocoa, you would add a cup of frozen strawberries, and you would have strawberry ice cream. So-called ice cream. They call it, I guess they call this vegan ice cream or guilt-free ice cream, but it's very good. This will satisfy your sweet tooth, and it should be pretty guilt-free. Bon appetit.